Hey there, welcome back. This video is a guide on building a web app with a user console and a form. Let's jump right in. First off, the starter pack comes packed with all the basics you need: a homepage, authentication system, admin dashboard, user management, and user profile. Next up, let's spice things up with a form template. Again, just ask the AI to add it and click confirm. It'll do its thing in no time. Our web app makes it super easy for users to input and submit data with seamless form integration. You'll find all the source files neatly organized in the left panel. It's a breeze to customize. For example, let's add an input field for the user's age in the form. Just open up the form.tsx file and add the field. Also make necessary changes in the form.hook.tsx file as well. Now don't worry about the backend stuff, we got you covered there too. Each feature has its own server file for easy customization. Let's update the backend for the changes we just made. Well, that should do it. Now let's check the output. We have it here. All the files you need for each feature are right here at your fingertips, and if you ever get stuck, our documentation at docs.magicjs.dev has got your back. Ready to show off your project to the world? Just commit your code, merge and publish your project with the provided link. With MERN AI, you can launch your project and showcase your design prototype in just one day. Also, the desktop app for MERN AI is completely free. So what are you waiting for? Let's get building!